answer, I felt like little low. My confidence like went low after seeing.
Underconfidence. Yes, I understand
Yeah.
that part. So essentially, Manasa, what you can do is every time you're testing yourself, you should be able to, understand the parts that you were lacking on, so that those start to hold with you. And similarly, when you'll be studying next, you'll behave a little more cautious in terms of, again, the same thing. Whatever you've missed, next time when you read it, you'll automatically be having a better kind of, retention. And it is not about key points, it's about key phrases. Please understand that. Do not really go by the keywords concept. It's key phrases. Keywords can just push you to the key phrase, but key phrase is what you need in a sentence always. It is the core crux. The keyword is not the crux. Right? If you can hold the key phrase, then there is a greater possibility you'll be able to give a more better depiction of what you're trying to say. So hold a little more length than just the keywords. Then obviously everything will be fine. You close to 60, that is good. You'll, with just a little effort, you'll be able to reach to 70.
Yeah. So.
That much is more than sufficient. Institute is not literally expecting word by word from you.
But I feel that for a question, I think I'll not get the entire marks. Like even in a single question, if I just lose one marks, I think I'll lose a lot of marks from there if my answer doesn't meet the expectation. That is what I felt when I saw my answer.
There will only be few questions in audit where you'll actually end up getting full marks. There will be rare questions in audit where you will ever get full marks. You will always have minimum, a 1 mark or 1.5 mark deduction possible for some or the other reason. So already expect that you are there where you are achieving maybe 80% marks out of everything, which essentially means you must attempt a good 80 marks paper.
Yeah.
A good 80 marks, not 100. I'm talking about 80% syllabus being answered appropriately. If you are doing 80, you will at least reach 55, 60 if you have done good. But if you are doing 100 and your overall approach or overall retention is not good, you're going to fall somewhere between 45, 50, close to 50, but not above 50. But holding 80 good would be a better option. Exactly the same that I've been telling in the previous days also. No matter which subject it is, अगर आप 80% को अच्छे से नहीं stick कर पा रहे हो, 80% को hold नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it's going to be worthless at the end of the day. So that 80 must be very confident area.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.